Okay, sewing bestie, I need your help. If you sew, want to sew, used to sew, or even dream of sewing, I want to know what you want to see here. I'm Kelly. I've been sewing since I was 9 years old. I've got a degree in fashion design. I spent a decade working as a corporate technical designer at a very well-known retailer. I spent several years doing alterations at David's Bridal in college and have extensive teaching background. I even helped run a sewing magazine where I was in charge of creating the content for the magazine, editing the patterns, as well as teaching at their sewing event. I've designed patterns, I've taught at expos, I've traveled around the world with a sewing eye. Tokyo, Paris, London, all within the last year, and don't worry, Italy's coming up soon. I'm always on the hunt for fabric, lace, trim, any type of inspiration. Vintage inspiration is my favorite. But right now, it's all about helping you. So what would be the most helpful or fun sewing related content for you to see on here? Do you want bite-sized tutorials, quick technique tips, machine embroidery projects, behind the scenes of what I'm sewing right now, maybe even a tour of my sewing room? Gosh, I guess I'd have to clean it up though. My favorite travel spots for fabric, or how I sew clothing for my boys, or a mix of trendy and modest pieces for myself. Tell me in the comments and don't hold back. I will read every single one of your comments. Remember, I'm here for you. Let's build a space where we can learn, create, and stay inspired together.